Hello?
Hi, is this Nabil?
അതെ.
I'm Sahla Parveen.
Okay.
Do you know me? Hello.
പറഞ്ഞോളൂ, കേൾക്കാം.
You had actually sent your number to my email. So talk with Sahla Parveen.
Okay. Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Hello. Hi friends, welcome to my blog Sahla Parveen. So this is going to be a happiness call with me. So I'm just going to randomly call someone. So right now actually I call this person and he is like, who is Sahla Parveen? And I'm like, okay, let me just call again. I hope he remembers me right now at least. Okay, so the people just simply send their number, huh? Let's see. Hello.
ma'am.
Hi Nabilia, tell me.
Yeah. എന്തെങ്കിലും പണി?
I'm doing wonderful. Actually, this is a video shooting and talking. Okay.
Okay.
So if you can ask me anything. So the first time when you said you don't remember me, my face was like kind of expression.
I didn't expect.
Okay.
വീഡിയോ ഇതിൽ കണ്ടപ്പോ ജസ്റ്റ് എത്തുന്നേ ഉള്ളൂ.
Okay. Actually, I got so many messages. So some names I feel a little familiar seeing the comments. So I thought I will call those numbers first. That's how I just took your name. I don't know if you are the same Nabil who actually always comments in my videos.
ഞാൻ കമന്റ്സ് കുറവാണ്, പക്ഷെ ഞാൻ സ്ഥിരമായി കാണാറുണ്ട്.
Okay.
കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ കാണാറുണ്ട്.
Great. So is there anything you want to ask me?
Yes, just a second. റിലേഷൻഷിപ്പ് ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട്
Okay.
നമുക്ക് നൈറ്റിലേക്ക് നമുക്ക് ഓഫീസിലേക്ക് ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട് വെബ്സൈറ്റ് വരുന്ന സമയത്ത് അവർക്ക് ഇറിറ്റേഷൻ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന കാര്യത്തിൽ നമുക്ക് എങ്ങനെ അത് സോൾവ് ചെയ്യാം?
അതായത് you are coming late from the office and your wife is feeling irritated.
ലേറ്റ് ആയിട്ടില്ല, നമ്മൾ നോർമൽ സമയത്ത് ഒരു 6-7 മണി സമയത്തിന് എത്തും.
Okay.
പക്ഷെ എന്തെങ്കിലും നൈറ്റിലൊക്കെ ഒരു 7-8 മണിക്കൊക്കെ ഓഫീസിൽ നിന്ന് ആരെങ്കിലൊക്കെ ചിലപ്പോൾ എന്തെങ്കിലും കിട്ടുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങൾ സംസാരിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി വിളിക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് അവർക്കത് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടില്ല. അവരെ ടൈമാണ് എന്നുള്ളൊരു ചിന്തയാണ്.
See, the one thing what we have to understand, right, Nabil, both the side we have to try to understand, right? See, the other place as a woman, she is all alone or, struggling with kids and all the problems all alone. So why she is actually making problem with you is because she love you and she needs you. She want to be with you. Alle? But we are like, I can understand your side because I am a person who is working, so I may not be always able to take care of my family as you said, but the thing is, we need to actually give time for both. So I always say when you are in office, it should be on office mode, and once you are at home, it should be more like a home mode, or it's what is more important is you have to give some quality time with your wife or kids. Maybe you are sitting with your wife the whole Sunday, but you both may not be talking, or you both may be fighting. Most of the time that happens, alle? So what is important is 1 hour, just try to listen to them, because most of the time woman does not want solution from their problem, but they just want someone to listen to them. So what she just want is just asking her, how are you, did you have food, or are you okay? Because these kind of questions you may forget because you are busy with, we are busy with our own problems, right? So if we just give these little things, so like most of the time men think like, we have to give diamond ring or gold to make our wife happy. No, it's not. But if you just come with a rose or a simple note in a paper and you just give her, she will feel so excited, because what is important is she feels like, okay, he remembered me when he was not with me. Because whenever she is alone at home, she is always thinking about you when she really loves you. That's how a woman works. But men actually, when he is doing one work, he is completely concentrated in that work only. Now that's how God have designed man, and that is exactly different from how the woman is working, because woman can think anything and work something else. So I think if you just give some quality time rather than so much of quantity time, she will be much happy with you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Very nice talking to
I
you.
am very happy. I am happy and very surprised.
Thank you so much, Nabil. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Very
thank you.
nice talking to you. Bye.
Okay.